Okay, hello, my name is Kayla, coming to you from the studio at our headquarters here in beautiful sunny Salinas, California. I am the project manager here at Latino Tax Pro, and I wanted to come live today and address the instructor audience. So if I have any of my instructors that are on, this would be great for you to tune into. If you are intrigued by the word instructor and you don't know what's going on, it'd be good for you to tune in too. Because today I'm going to ask you folks if you have started your tax school marketing yet. Tax season is the perfect time to start marketing for your tax school later in the year. And the best part is a lot of this advertising and marketing doesn't have to be super expensive. So with tax season still going on, at the end of your appointment with your satisfied client, that is the perfect time to mention that you have a tax school coming up. Tell them all the info about it and ask them if they, or even if they know anybody who would be interested in starting a new career. Especially now more than ever, having been going through COVID-19 and this global pandemic, there might be more people than you think looking for a new lucrative career. So make sure to plug your tax school at the end of your tax appointments. And speaking of when you have your tax appointments going on, in addition to the word of mouth recommendation, it's a great idea for you to hang up some marketing materials in your station. When you're part of the instructor program with Latino Tax Pro, we give you some startup marketing materials right away, which includes posters that you can hang up in your workstation behind you so that while you're entering all the data, the client can stare at it and hopefully ask you a little bit about it. So in addition to those posters, we also send you flyers that you can attach to the copies of the tax return. And then we also have some inquiry cards. So if you can pass them out to people for them to fill out and give back, and then you can contact them later on to see if they would like to enroll in your tax school. So besides the word of mouth, when you have them at the appointment, another effective way to market your tax school is through emailing your client base. A simple email advertising the dates, the subjects will do the trick. A fun fact, here at Latino Tax Pro, we have actually only had to email our client list to gain students for our live training here. We haven't really had to go beyond that. So that's an incredible tool that you should utilize. Excuse me. So in addition to the word of mouth and the email, probably the number one thing on your mind, you're thinking social media. Social media is a great, fast, cheap, quick way to get the word out on your tax school. Whether it's on Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platform, get the message out that you are having your tax school. And this is a great start to a new career. You can create social posts, graphics to advertise your tax school. A personal favorite website of mine is canva.com. There are some paid options, but generally it's free, and you can create some really great looking ads and flyers and social posts to advertise your school. Excuse me. Oh, and something I note, when you're advertising your tax school through Facebook, a great little tip to remember is to make your post shareable, so that if any of your friends, want to share it on their page, they can, and then you can reach an even broader audience than you normally would. So another method that you could use is advertising your tax school on community interest boards, or even classified online sites like Craigslist. Those are great ways to get the word out in your community. And additionally, for this might cost a little bit more money, but you can actually make some postcards up and send the postcards advertising to your county, greater area, get the word out that way as well. So it's important to start marketing right away, whether it's an email, whether it's a Facebook post, whether it's just inviting your client by word of mouth. Now is the best time to start marketing, because the longer you market for, the more people you'll have interested, and with more interest, you'll get more enrollment eventually. So I wanted to show you folks how to access those marketing materials that Latino Tax Pro provides for you. They are stored in your Prendo account. So I want to show you folks how to access these in your Prendo account. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. I think I did it correctly. So, okay, all you have to do is navigate to prendo365.com, which you're probably very familiar with. And then you're going to enter in your instructor credentials, sign in. And then when you sign in, here's your home screen. All you need to do is navigate to the left side of the screen, press the hamburger button, and you'll pop open the menu. And if you just scroll down a little bit, we have a downloadable clickable link for tax school marketing materials. We have our instructor price list, which is going to be updated with the 2020 information very shortly. And then we have our English, and I believe we should have our Spanish ones. We'll update the Spanish ones as well. And so those were the flyers that you can attach to the copies of the returns. And then we have a template for the inquiry cards that you can have at your reception desk or at your personal workstation to pass out to fill for your clients to fill out. And you can't see it up here, but there's also a poster, and we can definitely send you that poster in the mail. So if you need any marketing materials, if you can't download them for some reason, just give us a call and we could hook you up with those marketing materials. So I just want to say, I'm pretty much going to end it here. Thank you for tuning in. Please give us a call. You can even text our number if you have any questions about marketing, or if you have any questions about the instructor program, where you can give quality tax training your way. Please give us a call or a text at 866-936-2587. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.